Hello children, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome to online classes. This is your English class. I am Neha, your subject teacher of English. Okay, student, today's topic vowel sound of U. Okay, open your notebook. Okay, student, first write revision. 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 Okay. So student, today we will write the vowel sound of U. Okay. Student, complete the vowel sound of A, E, I, O in previous video. Very good. So today we will write and read vowel sound of U. Okay. Student, today we will start the revision vowel sound of U. Okay. So let's start. Write the heading. Student, you will also write with me. Okay. Start. W R I T E write. V O W E L vowel. S O U N D vowel sound. O F of U vowel sound of U. Okay. Heading, write vowel sound of U. Complete? Very good. So student, first write here U B. U B sound. Okay. Student, U का phonic sound A, B का phonic sound B. U B sound. Clear? C U B cub. Nest. T U B tub. Nest. R U B rub. Okay. U B sound. C U B cub. T U B tub. R U B rub. Clear? Next, U G sound. U G. U G sound. Okay. U student, U का phonic sound B. G का phonic sound G. Clear? First, B U G bug. J U G jug. M U G mug. Okay. U G sound. B U G bug. J U G jug. M U G mug. Clear? Next, U N sound. U N sound. Okay. First, B U N bun. G U N gun. S U N sun. U N sound. B U N bun. G U N gun. S U N sun. Clear? Complete? Very good. Next, U T sound. U T. U T sound. Student, U का phonic sound A. T का phonic sound T. Clear? So write here H U T hut. H U T hut. Next, N U T nut. Complete? Good. Next, C-U-T, cut. U-T sound, H-U-T, hut, N-U-T, nut, C-U-T, cut. Complete? Good. Next, UL sound. UL sound. Okay? First, B, U, double L, bull. F, U, double L, full. P, U, L, pull. Okay? UL sound, BU double L, bull. FU double L, full. PU double L, pull. Okay? Student, once again, UB sound. U का phonic sound A, B का phonic sound ba. Okay? CUB cub, TUB tub, RUB rub. Clear? Next, UG sound. U का phonic sound ba, G का phonic sound ga. Okay? BUG bug, JUG jug, MUG mug. Okay? Next, UN sound. U का phonic sound A, N का phonic sound na. Okay? BUN bun, GUN gun, SUN sun. Okay? Next, UT sound. U का phonic sound A, T का phonic sound ta. Okay? HUT hut, NUT nut, CUT cut. Clear? Next, UL sound. Okay? BU double L bull, FU double L full, PU double L pull. So student, learn and write vowel sound of U and complete the vowel sound of U in your SW copy at home. Okay? That's all for today. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.